severe thunderstorm emergency for Fresno. The National Weather Service in Hanford has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fresno County until 5:45 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clovis, moving southwest at 25 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous storm. Hazards: 150-mile-per-hour wind gusts and basketball-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: anyone outside during the storm will be severely injured. Extreme damage to vehicles is expected. Expect significant damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clovis and Fresno. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: Fresno, California.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Fresno and Clovis Departments of Emergency Management. Recently, a severe thunderstorm with unusually powerful hazards wreaked havoc across the cities of Clovis and Fresno. Wind gusts of 175 miles per hour and sustained winds of 130 to 150 miles per hour were reported across Fresno and Clovis, and hail ranging from pea-size to even up to basketball size and even larger was reported throughout northeastern Fresno and vicinity. At this time, communications are severely disrupted due to several cell towers in the area being knocked offline by guerrilla hail and extreme wind gusts. It is thought that this is connected to the recent Wildcard of Nature incident yesterday. It is unknown whether this is connected. However, if this is true, then research done by classified National Weather Service officials may have been proven wrong. The Wildcard of Nature first appeared with the date 2020. However, a new one has recently appeared with the date 2910. However, this may be false, and the curse may not be over. Stay tuned to this station for further updates on this situation. Also, do not venture outside at this time. Many buildings and power lines are down, and fires may soon develop. Stay tuned for further updates on this developing and dangerous situation.